So hello everyone, I'm Hilary from Phoenix Safaris. Today we are here to showcase you the new safari jeeps we've just acquired to our fleet. So let me take you around and show you how the jeeps look like. So from here we already have a ladder. It's for easy access and also helps you to enjoy the comfort of the car. Just when you're seated here, the first thing you get to see is the charging port. Here we have a water bottle. It is a whole water tank. Here we have the cooler box to always ensure that our drinks are cold. The seats are also very comfortable. The seats are reclining, so you'll always adjust it to your own comfort. Recline to where you feel like and you enjoy the safari. For our safety feature when traveling, we have a 3-point seat belt. Hear the clicking sound and you're good to go. From up here you can see the roof pops up and everybody will get a space to enjoy the views of the wildlife from here. So here you can see the trunk where we can put all the luggages. It's quite big. Lower down the handle and enjoy your safari.